Hi Kiteki, for today's video, we will unbox this new Pldthome prepaid Wi-Fi guys na sale, powered by Smart LTE guys. But before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe icon, click the bell icon guys, and choose yung all para palagi ka updated sa ating mga video tutorial natin upload almost everyday. So here's the new Pldthome prepaid Wi-Fi. As you can see, ito siya. Ayan siya guys. So here, yung ano niya guys, yung model na CPE FX-ID5. Actually guys, nabuksan ko na siya. So totally, chinek ko kung okay yung Wi-Fi guys doon sa may SM Stationery. Also, you can buy this guys at the Smart Physical and Online Store and sa retailer guys. Ayan. So now we will unbox this. Actually, only 995 pesos lang naman ito. So here, ayan siya guys, nabuksan ko na siya. And here guys, parang may guide siya guys. Here, all about the Wi-Fi, how to load. Yan guys, yung pwede yung tawagan. So ayan siya. Here yung box. Yan siya, nabuksan ko na siya guys. And here the modem. So ito siya guys. Medyo maliit lang siya, no? I will check guys kung paano kalaki. So check natin guys na ito yung luma kong Wi-Fi, actually luma na siya, no? Okay, ganyan siya guys, kalaki. Almost kalaki ng Wi-Fi nito. Yan. Yan siya guys. So here, actually maliit lang naman siya. Parang packet Wi-Fi nga lang. So yan siya guys. Marami siyang ventilators, indicators. Yan siya yung signal niya, yung message, internet, etc. And here yung ventilators then and the details of your Wi-Fi. Ventilators or the signal ventilators and the CPU ventilators. Here the LAN cable, the on and off button, power button, reset button, and WPS button. So yan. Actually, pwede nyo naman siya guys itali or what I mean, ibiti na lang guys sa wall nyo. Ayan. Kailangan nyo lang I think ng parang ano dito para ikabit na lang sa wall. Ayan. And also, meron tayo guys dito ng SIM card, SIM bed. Kasi guys, nandito na siya actually sa may SIM card slot niya. Ayan. So, ayan siya guys. Also, we have here the user guide guys of the Wi-Fi. How to use it properly. Ayan siya, yung mga content. Ayan. Okay, here at the box guys, meron tayo ditong white LAN cable. Here, the LAN cable guys. Ayan, the LAN cable. Here, the power cable or the adapter. Ayan siya guys. So as you can see, wait lang, hindi nag-drop. Ayan. So here, the LAN cable guys. Actually, manipis siya, no? Super nipis lang niya, guys. Hindi talaga nag-focus. Ayan. So we will try it guys, no? So here, bakit hindi na doon? Ayun. So as you can see, nag-light na siya. And now guys, try natin guys i-visit yung kanyang dashboard na 192.168.8 or rather 0.1.1. Ito siya. Ito guys. So let's try. So guys, we are here at the Chrome browser guys, ating laptop. And yet, nakakonect na tayo guys via Pldthome prepaid Wi-Fi. Connect lang natin siya. Ayan. So here, nakakonect na tayo guys. Okay. So here, now, mag-revisit na tayo sa 192.168.1.1 sa IP address ng ating Wi-Fi. Okay, may nakakaranas guys ng mga privacy error or kagaya nito guys sa Chrome browser guys. You don't need magpalit ng browser guys. Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is that click the advanced, then proceed to 192.168.1.1. Click nyo lang siya. Ayan. Okay, here at the user, click the PLDT or what I mean type the Pldthome. Then your password. After typing your password, mag-redirect siya guys sa dashboard ng inyong Wi-Fi. Kagaya nito. Commonly guys, here the status sa internet. Commonly, nanonotice ko talaga sa mga smart wifi, kagaya na yung Smart R281, palaging nasa 40, band 40 yung ating wifi. Babaguhin natin yan guys mamaya. So here's your details. Here's your status ng wifi nyo. Yung mga nakakonect actively. Ayan. Your device infos, your one status or your WAN, your setting here. And this Wi-Fi pala guys, may block function siya. Ito, block user function. For example, here the Technophone, block natin siya. Select nyo lang, then click block. Ang lalabas yan or pupunta yan dito sa may block wireless station. Okay? For the change password naman, dito tayo sa may 2.4G Wi-Fi. You can change your name, your password guys, and your security mode. Kung gusto nyong mas malakas, you can choose WPA PSK or WPA2 PSK. Ayan. And click apply. And for the 5G Wi-Fi naman, wait lang natin. Ayan, okay na. You can change your Wi-Fi name here, your password here, your Wi-Fi standard here guys. If gusto nyo ng mixed mode, you can click here guys. And your security mode guys, same lang naman. And yung channel bandwidth, piliin nyo lang guys, ito yung default. Okay na yan. Ayan. So guys, Wi-Fi, you can choose between 4G or the 5G. Ayan. For the LTE setting naman guys, here yung network selection. Yung 4G only, 3G only, and 2G only. Ayan. Also, actually, nandito talaga guys yung band selection niya. I will show na lang guys sa next video. Kapag na-upload ko na guys, you can click the I-link guys na nasa taas. I will update na lang. And here's yung SMS nyo. Kapag nagpapaload kayo ng Wi-Fi nyo, lahat ng message here, nandito yan. So, kapag nagka-Wi-Fi kayong kagaya nito, you can download Gigalize application. Wherein doon na lang kayo guys re-register ng promo ni Pldthome. So, yun lang guys. Hopefully you like this video. Again, don't forget to click the subscribe icon, click the bell icon guys, and choose yung all para palagi ka updated sa ating mga video tutorial natin na upload. Thank you!